Today, I'm going to play Battle Cats.
Success for my body, success for my friends. Success is the only thing I understand. Head back home to the place I grew up. Give my medals to the ones that I love. I'll chase Harvey through the door in the wall. He says never catch me, never miss me at all. Rule comes down from the corner of his mouth. I say I love you, Harvey, you got it out.
Hi, how are you?
Battle Cats.
Let's go. We do not care.
Yeah, boy.
Check me out, check me out.
We are beating up these things. I literally don't know what they are. Are they dogs?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry for this short video. I will be making more videos.